Hello, sweet sauce. It is Maria Morala, and today we are going to be looking for some new friends because I have really no friends. I'm all alone. So, let's see who comes by first. Look at, I see a friend coming up. Hello, what do you want? I want to be your friend. Why would I want to be your friend? You're not even a wolf. Oh, that's really bad at making friend. Let's go somewhere else. Bye.